With moving to a new studio, I've been able to flex the business card on some of the essentials that we need for the new sets. We plan on building every set with all the equipment that stays set up ready to film. You know, just drop a battery and a card in the camera and you can start. And with that in mind, I bought a beast of a lightweight tripod for £60. So here's my review. I bring you the latest adaptation of the K&F tripods, the vlog tripod. That's so much catchier than the K&F 09.084. Formed from aluminium, the entire tripod is light but robust. You can remove one leg entirely, which cleverly doubles up as a monopod. Simply unscrew the head from the tripod and you have an even lighter setup should that suit. Once the legs are folded over, you can find the center column of the tripod, and that can be lowered, giving you a tripod that looks rather traditional. The ball head has the ability to rotate with an adjustable tensioner for resistance and to lock it off. The ball head is easy to adjust to fix onto your subject, and you can also use it for vertical video. To the side of the mounting plate, there is a precision level, and the mounting plate has a standard 1/4 inch fitting. But is it worth 60 quid? Well, let's take a look at the good bits. This travel tripod is light enough to take with you, and its compact form takes seconds to assemble, which makes it convenient. As for being robust, well, the max load is 10 kilos, which is going to cover more than enough headroom for the weightiest of setups. In the real world, that max load is to help make the tripod more stable so it doesn't topple over in the wind. The minimum and maximum size of this tripod has to be its most worthy appeal. From 17 inches when packed to travel to 54 inches when fully extended ready for use, this is the perfect standing shot for AJ. The height adjustments are made by quick release levers. They're made out of a thick plastic. The points where they could fail around the hinge, well, they look pretty chunky too. Finally, the head is not perfect for panning shots, but it is totally detachable. If you have a head with a lever, you can easily switch it out. And that does bring me to what's not so much to like. Okay, there's the height issue. We need to discuss the height of this tripod. So for me, this is a part of a studio set. It's for filming talking heads or sat down shots. And in that situation, it's a thumbs up, there's no issue. However, if you were taking some standing shots, then the subject can't be any taller than 5 foot, as the tripod is only 4'5", which is roughly AJ's height. Realistically, if you're on the go, it ticks so many boxes that you would tolerate the occasional annoyance of being short. Look at AJ. That's pretty much it. I like everything about this tripod. It has a well padded bag, it's light, compact and robust, and it only cost AJ 60 quid. It's pretty funky with those orange accents too, and if you're tight and you don't really want to buy a separate monopod, well, dismantle this tripod and you're winning. So, if you like winning and you're in the market for a travel-friendly tripod, then I've dropped a link down below the video. Hopefully, if you like the video, you'll give it a thumbs up. And if you want to keep up to date with more tech bargains, then make sure you hit that notification bell. For everything else, I'll be in the comments, but you can also find us on social links and cool stuff like that. Hope you can join me next time. Bye!